Technology is changing the medical field, but now it's going to change the way you communicate with your doctor. PINGMD is an app that you can download on your smartphone where you can text, send video, or even pictures straight to your doctor. PINGMD was created by pediatrician Dr. Manju Chopra and her husband, former neurosurgeon Dr. Gopal Chopra, as a way to streamline communication between patients and doctors. Instead of communicating through email, text messages, and phone calls, the app allows patients and doctors to communicate through text, pictures, and even video on PINGMD's secure platform. Dr. Dyan Hes, a pediatrician at Gramercy Pediatrics, has been using PINGMD for about 2 years and has seen how appealing the app is to new parents.
New mothers and new parents in general really like this app because they have a lot of anxiety over having a newborn, and they like to know that their physician is accessible. Right. And in this day and age with communication, you want everything fast. I like it that I can give them the information instantaneously before they even get on that web and start to look up misinformation.
Right. For mother Aditi Deeg, PINGMD was the deciding factor when choosing Dr. Hes as her pediatrician for her 2 young children. And the app came in especially useful when her child became sick as an infant. And so far, the process has been pretty easy.
It's great. It's basically been a lifesaver. My older daughter had some issues when she was born medically, so I became a very paranoid mother, overly anxious. Probably all moms are, but maybe I was more. And it's when initially it was given to me, I thought, oh, I may or may not use it, and I've used it. Initially, maybe like when she was first born, 3 times a month at least. It's just the best way to contact your doctor. It's like easy to communicate with. I never feel like I'm bothering her. I would never call her for things that I have used PINGMD for, and they're varied from everything, a rash to gastroenteritis and I've sent her pictures. It's been great. So it's a very user-friendly device, and it's great technology for if you're a busy mom, you have 1,000 things going on. So,
Dr. Gopal Chopra created the app to not only help improve healthcare communication in a secure way, but to also turn to technology to fix one of healthcare's most vexing problems: the communication breakdown between doctor and patient and doctor to doctor.
Yeah, the doctors are communicating to each other in real time. They're using pagers, they're using email, they're using a variety of solutions, including text. And we have to be mindful as physicians of not using messages that are not secure. It's patient healthcare information that we're dealing with. And so we have at PINGMD simplified a way that a resident can reach an attending doctor, a nurse can reach the doctor, and any other healthcare professional trying to communicate between a patient and a physician, simply by logging into PINGMD, having that secure communication, and adding the vital things of the picture.
So is the app just for pediatricians, or can all doctors use this now?
Well, I think healthcare communication being really the prime issue here, we find the problem is between any healthcare provider and their patient, and also between doctors, nurses. So we've simplified the app for any doctor, any nurse, any healthcare professional to connect to each other or with a patient. We find that a lot of the time they're trying to explain something that can be simplified with a picture, a quick text, and it needs to be secure and simple. So we're solving a broader communication problem.
While security is important, what mattered most to Deeg was the easy line of communication with her doctor.
Middle of winter, the last thing you want to do is take your kid out for a rash that you kind of know is benign, but you want to answer for. Take a stroller walk in 10-degree weather. It's so to send a picture, I've sent many things, and a lot of times Dr. Hes has said, don't worry about it, just put hydrocortisone cream on and it will be fine. And it's such a relief. And sometimes she said, come in because it's a bigger issue. And both of those answers just make you give you a sense of relief for it. So it's definitely has helped not coming into the office every time for every little thing I have. So.
Jessica Minton, IBTimes TV.